Want to get more rare candies in Pokémon Go? Here are 5 practical ways to collect enough rare candies for evolutions and power-ups. Method 1. Catch various Pokémon. The simplest way to gather Pokémon candy is by catching them in the wild. Each Pokémon family uses its own candy, so catching different species will give you different candies. Method 2. Spin gyms for extra candies. Not every time, but spinning and interacting with gyms can sometimes reward you with additional candy opportunities. Method 3. Complete research tasks. Field, special, and event research tasks can be a great source. By finishing certain missions, you have a chance to receive rare candies as rewards. Method 4. Join and win raid battles. Defeating raid bosses is a direct way to earn rare candies. The more battles you win, and the tougher the raid, the more rare candies you can get. Method 5. Bonus tip, rare candy trick. A great trick to farm more candies is using MagFone Location Changer. With this tool, you can virtually explore new areas, catch different wild Pokémon, and join battles. You can also simulate walking with your buddy Pokémon to earn rare candy without leaving home. Just connect your device, set a location, and start collecting more rare candies easily.